There were many naysayers, and those naysayers are now proven wrong. You have shown the way how this country will become a major electronics manufacturing hub. I'm so glad that some people today mentioned that the government has done everything that was supposed to be done, now it's our turn. It's a very nice thing to hear. Question is, from here, where do we go? We have created an ecosystem where we began with the finished product. Get the finished product, get the volumes in the country. First, focus on getting the finished product assembly work so that at least there is a good volume which can then pull the other stuff in the country. That was the thought process. With that thought process, we could get some of the large manufacturers of finished products into our country, and that has given us the opportunity to create the market for and demand for components. So the next step that we took was to develop the component ecosystem. And we worked with the industry guided us. We focused on certain specific components rather than spreading it thin. We focused on a set of components which are very critical for a long-term growth of the electronics manufacturing ecosystem. With that, the ECMS was conceived, approved by Honorable Prime Minister, and then finally, it was rolled out very recently, and I'm glad that the team is working so hard that practically every week, new approvals are happening. So kudos to the team, good round of applause for the entire team. Long-term success, we will have to focus on three major things. First, we will have to develop our design teams. Whatever be the cost, whatever be the effort, whatever be the hard work that has to be put in, this is something which has to be done. It's one of those non-negotiables which has to be made a part of our journey. I'll request that the department should ask in all the applications, what is the design capability that you are developing? And that should be one of the criterion for selecting the people who finally get approved in the ECMS. It's very, very important because today we have a scheme. Tomorrow we will have the entire world open to us. If we don't have the design capabilities, then that world will not remain open to us for a very long period. So that is my first request, and more like a mandate to all of you to develop your design teams.